এসএসসি পরীক্ষার্থী 2024 এখন বোর্ড কোশ্চেনগুলো কমপ্লিট করলে আসলে পরীক্ষায় সব কমন পাওয়া সম্ভব ইনশাল্লাহ। এখন মেঘা ঢাকা বোর্ড 2022 এই বোর্ডটির সমাধান করবে ইনশাল্লাহ। ওকে মেঘা প্লিজ।
ঢাকা বোর্ড 2022-এর বোর্ড কোশ্চেন এখন আমরা সলভ করব। প্রথমে আছে fill in the blanks with preposition or articles. It was a 4 in the afternoon. Hamid was studying in the library when his cell phone rang. It was his younger sister Runa. She said that she was standing in front of a shopping mall opposite Hamid's office and asked him to meet her there as soon as possible. Hamid hurried out of the library. As he went to the street, he noticed that Runa was not alone. She was holding a 3 to 4 years old girl by hand. The child was crying and Runa was trying frantically to pacify her. Some passers-by were looking at them suspiciously. When he reached her, she started to explain. Second number আছে complete the following text with right forms of the verbs given in the box. Bangladesh is full of natural resources. The prosperity of the country depends on the proper utilization of resources. We should not lead a lazy life. We should all build up our country. For this reason, we have to work hard. No nation can prosper without industry. It should be remembered that industry is the key to success. If we idle the days away, we will lag behind. The nations what are industrious reach the pinnacle of development, so we should follow them. 3 নম্বরে আছে change the following sentence according to the directions. Bangladesh is a low-lying country. Change it into interrogative. Isn't Bangladesh a low-lying country? Every year natural disaster visit us. Change it into passive voice. We we are visited natural disaster by every year. Who does not know the consequence of tsunami? Change it into assertive sentence. Everybody knows the consequence of tsunami. The recent flood was very devastating. Change into exclamatory sentence. How devastating the recent flood was. Dhaka is the very Dhaka is the most risky city in the earthquake zone. Change it into positive degree. No other earthquake zone in the city is as risky as Dhaka. 4 নম্বরে আছে complete the text adding suffix prefix or both with the root words given in the parentheses. The aim of education is to make man fully equipped to be useful to himself and society. A truthful, educated person should be self-reliant with regard to his personal needs. He should be well-mannered, thoughtful, sympathetic, and cooperative. He should be truthful, honest, punctual, and dutiful. Punctuality is a virtue that makes a nation prosperous. An educated person tries to remove the suffering of his countrymen. He also helps others in attaining self-reliance. 5 নম্বরে আছে make tag question of these uh, statements. Everybody wants to lead a better life, don't they? A better life seldom comes without hard work, doesn't it? We have to work hard for this, haven't we? But most of us can hardly do the job. Can't we? Sorry, এখানে can we হবে। Actually, life is not a bed of roses, is it? Thank you very much.
মেঘাকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ সুন্দর করে উত্তরগুলো করার জন্য। ওর 2 জায়গায় একটু সমস্যা হয়েছে। তো after all, she does the answer clearly. Thank you again.